Hello guys, I hope you are fine. Today I am going to show you that how to increase or decrease the brightness of a Windows 10. For that you have to just right click on the desktop and then go to display setting. Yes, after click on display setting you will see that kind of menu, or here you can search for the display. Yes, here it is, and just click on display, or here you can find a display menu, and here it is brightness and color, and here you can decrease or increase the brightness of your PC. I'm practically increasing and decreasing the brightness, and you have to do it too. And also here scale and layout, you can if you want to change the size of your text, your apps, or your other items, you can easily select it from here. 100 is recommended, but if you want to change it to 125, you can change it easily. So I just click on it, and it has changed. So I don't want that kind of layout, so I go back to 100. And also in display resolution, you can also change display resolution if you don't want 1366. If you want to change it 1360 or 1280 or 1024, you can change, or you can select it. I just select on 1280. So here it gives you a 12-minute time. If you keep changes, it will keep changes. If you select reverse, so it will come back to the same menu. So I don't want that kind of display resolution, so I can back to my display. So thanks for watching. If you like the video, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icons. Thank you.